Hello, Stings. This is another brief review of a table building applications process that we took care of in class. This is very similar to the applications of linear functions. We filled out a table, we found a rule, then we had to determine what was independent or which statement here made more sense, and postage due, the amount of money we were going to pay, was definitely dependent upon the weight of the package. The independent variable then is weight, and the dependent variable then was postage. The cost for each ounce, or a rate of change or slope for this table, was 0.25 or 25 cents. We found the equation for this table to be y equals 0.25x plus 0.05, so that was 25 cents per ounce plus 1 nickel. And we found here that we had to make a change. The 2 pounds, since they told us it's 25 cents per ounce, we had to change those pounds to ounces, and since there are 16 ounces in a pound, we end up with 32 ounces. So we simply substitute 32 in for x, do the arithmetic, and end up with $8.05. How much would it cost to mail a package weighing 0 ounces? And if you could actually conceivably do that, you would pay the nickel. So if your x value was 0, you would pay a nickel. In reality, you probably wouldn't be mailing anything that didn't have some sort of weight to it. Would it be reasonable to have a -5 ounce package? No, because you can't have negative weight. We looked at 1 million ounces and found that that was actually 62,500 pounds, and no, you're not going to mail that at the post office because that is entirely too large. And then we saw that it was definitely an increasing function. The domain, or x values, we figured maybe 100 pounds would be the highest amount of weight that you would be mailing at the post office. We could check with the post office to make sure of that. So that would be x values between 0 and 1,600, because 100 pounds times 16 ounces per pound would be 1,600 ounces. Our range values then would be between 0 and about $400. So this was table building applications that we did in class, and if you needed to fill this out, there's your information.